Do you not understand what death means to mortals? Well...
This is a broadcast to alert the city of Oakland. There is current an extreme dead disease that is plaguing the area. Don't let anyone in your house, and lock all windows and doors. If you have a family member that has had cysts sudden form, they are already dead. Do not treat them as a human being. Kick them out of your house. For now, scientists are calling the disease Kitten Pox. This name originates from the symptoms of a disease. Small cysts form on the skin, specifically under the clothes. If you have come in contact with the pus that comes out of these cysts, you are already infected. The effects of this contagious pathogen take around 1 hour to be visible, but take less than a second to infect you. This pathogen has a 100% mortality rate, so if you have been infected, you're already dead. Good luck to you all.